Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me ZTE 53 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So firstly, open the settings and find here storage. As you can see, I have used 33% of my internal storage. So you need to remember the one rule: never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full, 70% full, because after this point your device is starting to slowing down very fast. So never fill up your storage over the 70%. If you have filled up, so you need to remove files from your device that consuming your storage. Cool. And the second aspect you can do is to remove the applications from temporary storage from time to time. You need to have the habit to remove applications from the RAM after closing it. For example, you have opened phone application, then after closing, remove it from the recent apps. You have opened messages, after closing it, remove it from the RAM. So you just need to have this habit, and in this way you will keep your device in good condition. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.